When you want to soak up the sun and enjoy some fresh air, flower gardens are the perfect escape. You probably picture lush green grass, vibrant flowers, and stunning water fountains right away. They can seem a bit expensive, though. That's why I've gathered 10 budget-friendly flower garden project ideas that will not only delight your eyes, but also impress your guests. I promise. None of these will strain your wallet during these challenging times. So let's dive in. To stay updated with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and let the algorithm do the work for you. 10. Use old ladders to display your plants. Let's kick off this project by transforming those old ladders into something special. Decorative ladder shelving can really elevate your flower garden. Here's how to do it. Take 2 ladders and tie them together securely at the top. Once that's done, lay wooden planks across the rungs and nail them in place. And just like that, you have charming shelves to showcase your planters and other accessories. If you only have 1 ladder, don't worry, just cut it in half. If it's too short, use longer wooden planks to join the 2 parts. Sure, it may not create a perfect triangle shape, but you can easily adjust it to fit your space. 9. Opt for gravel to cover the pathway. Gravel is a fantastic choice for pathways, especially since it's far more affordable than paving. Plus, it's easy to shape to your needs. Start by making a solid plan and marking the area you want to cover. Carefully scrape away any loose soil or grass, then lay down a permeable fabric to prevent weeds from coming through, and spread the gravel over the top. Aim for a depth of about 25 millimeters, and feel free to choose any gravel that contrasts nicely with your lawn and bedding. Just a quick tip, a large bag of gravel typically covers around 20 square meters. Keep that in mind when you shop. 8. Try perennial ground covers. If you find weeding your lawn to be a hassle, consider ditching the weed killers. Those harsh chemicals can be harmful to pets and have even been linked to cancer. Instead, why not opt for natural perennial ground covers? Options like creeping periwinkle, walk-on-me thyme, moss phlox, and early snow glories are all fantastic choices. These plants are usually under $5 each, and you can also look into violets and pansies, with seeds starting at 95 cents to $2.95. It's an affordable and healthy way to keep your garden thriving. Tip: if your garden doesn't get much sun because of those big, beautiful trees, consider shade-loving plants instead. 7. Grow petunias. If you want bright blooms each year while changing your color palette without breaking the bank, annuals are the way to go. They're simply gorgeous and bring such delight to any flower garden. I love annuals for many reasons. They grow quickly, bloom longer, and often reseed themselves. They come in a wide range of colors and heights. Mix and match for a vibrant look. Petunias, in particular, are easy to grow and very affordable. Plus, they don't even need to be planted in the ground. Just water them and enjoy the show. 6. Blend faux flowers with real ones. Get creative by mixing real flowers with some artificial ones in your garden. Giant faux flowers can really add an eye-catching element. Start by preparing some chicken wire and find a sturdy round object like a basketball. Use metal rods to secure the stem. They're easier to push into the ground. Add a bit of duct tape to cover any sharp wire ends. Once that's done, remove it from the mold and twist the top closed. It might bend out of shape, but with a little patience, you can shape it back into a round form. Trim any excess wire and cover the stem with floral tape. Give it a spray, and you're all set. 5. Spilled flower pot project idea. You'll love this unique project. It's a great way to add a fun focal point to your garden. A spilled flower planter can really liven up your outdoor space. To get started, choose a spot that gets some afternoon shade. That'll work perfectly. Next, grab a planter that has a wide mouth and a rounded shape. If you have any broken planters lying around, give them new life with warm colored paint. Dig the planter into the ground so that only about a quarter of it is showing. Fill it halfway with potting soil. Flowers and hanging baskets like geraniums, lobelias, petunias, alyssum, daisies, and begonias are perfect for this project. Let the plants spill down to create a lovely cascading effect. 4. Burn the flowers. As the weather warms up, adding a splash of flowers can make your outdoor space feel like spring. Bright colors and textures in your flower beds will chase away the winter blues. Take this playful idea, for example. Instead of using it for stew, fill a cauldron, yes, you read that right, with white busy lizzies. To symbolize flames, mix in red salvia and yellow adonis flowers, planting them among twigs. Cover the soil with red mulch for an extra pop and use red bricks for edging to create a natural look. Tip: a rusty chain can add a charming touch to your final scene. 3. Add string lights. Got a pergola? It's a fantastic space for something that doesn't grow grass well. If you're looking to create a cozy atmosphere, string lights are a must. Hang them around your pergola and you'll find they fit perfectly. They come in all sorts of sizes, shapes, and colors, allowing you to personalize your space easily. Most string lights are LED, so they'll help you save on energy costs in the long run. Plus, they keep the vibe cheerful all year round. 2. Use a birdcage planter. Birdcage planters bring a unique flair to any garden. Hang one from a tree or place it near your door to create a scenic view. Here's how to make one. Gather a birdcage, potting mix, cocoa liner, optional, plants, and optional pebbles. Start by fixing any rusty parts and giving it a fresh coat of paint. Line the inside with cocoa liner to keep the soil in place. Mix some slow-release fertilizer into your potting mix and fill the birdcage about 1/4 full. Gently break apart the root ball of the plant, make space in the soil, and place your plant inside. Find the perfect spot to hang it and you're all set. Tip: it's best to choose a location that's not too windy. Lastly, number 1. Ferris Wheel Garden project idea. These days, there are tons of ideas for refurbishing and repurposing items into fabulous garden planners. Why not transform some broken furniture into rustic garden decor? Old wooden benches, stools, or wagon wheels can bring character to your space. For instance, a wagon wheel can hold planters beautifully. A little paint or wood stain can work wonders, making the old look new again. This is a creative way to breathe life into items that have seen better days. With a mix of creativity and resourcefulness, you can turn both new and old items into something spectacular. Involve the whole family in this fun project, and you'll create a stunning space everyone can appreciate. Enjoy! Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.